They say the gone dry.
I make me do. Me I travel.
They say go on this bench.
I don't know. Me I travel.
What about Lebanon?
No, me no ask me that question. Me I travel. Me I travel. Me I travel. Yeah, I travel. I'm not like you caught me feeling at all.
No, but I just want to ask you though, how that guy there, I know they tongue,
I travel.
Who's I go?
Me I travel. If you want to know for check but good, me I travel. No, I don't know I travel.
Okay, Lord enjoy the music.
Me I travel.
You want me I travel. I know the tango. If I'm gonna take you, take.
Hey, my people, as we play this music and enjoy yourself, not a secret. This music get meaning, Aliu. Let for hype people,
Me I travel. Wait again. I travel.
It don't begin back, oh, it don't begin back. And you not say we don't blow small.
Now, who that?
Corona, no corona, it don't begin back.
Now,
we can't take her.
Hey, me I travel. No can be problem to me. Me I travel.
And you now know say this better say go bond. Lord, listen to music. Who they can't know now outside. They right now as I talk.
Yeah, me I travel.
You want mix me body? I got that trouble. Me I travel.
For say they above the law. Upon all the corona trouble,
No,
you they travel like once.
Who that saying they know they travel? Why that they don't live airport business? They know they travel. No mix and do a travel. What's the problem? It travel. Waiting.
But this is how it goes right now. Wait till go to whose benefit will get as Sierra Leoneans?
Me, you don't get right for go as a private person. They go on private trip. You don't know. So waiting again, he travel.
Can take the scope away.
Corona don't done, Angie. Corona not done.
But for say no, they don't better country the way they go. Now country where they pa crisis, where they pandemic wala, they don't bombo so. The way young people they accept that they suffer okay for can enter inside it.
Okay. And now I see the problem. Now I know say we don't go to that place this so. Hey, make a tell something. Then we should start them. We be quiet that time. I think say the problem don't settle.
Hey go.
Hey, me I travel. I don't know.
I didn't see my body. Give me one money. You know they are of the law.
Really like no day. We get with citizens the day. Them body them one because of the bad things the way they meet them. You there above the law for make you go na Lebanon. May I just call the place one time. Who say we get Sierra Leoneans them where they pan cry, where they pan money day. You not even go there for an official trip. You go there for your own privacy, go relax. You know if we go church, then Sierra Leoneans there. Where they suffer.
1 week ago, what time been there?
Una say if you dey born.
We come back. Who say don't go?
Na Lebanon.
The first lady almost week they said they go take not to 1 week they go take. Watching at the problem. That man don't go on vacation. So if you go enjoy it, that's simple. You not go walk home. It don't go on vacation. What's not your problem?
But me people are not say for me. Vacation at this time. Vacation not to no other side. But Lebanon where them corrupt and add up as we say.
Where you talk about corrupt, you say program. Yeah, that then corrupt, You remember the kind of problem where we don't carry this bent, Remember? Wait you now.
Of say caretaker go for go no corrupt things them or
No. Caretaker no. It just try for go settle problem where they happen in Lebanon. So that's all simple.
But why caretaker don't reach na Lebanon? When we get Sierra Leoneans and when they cry they tell now when they get message to them people they say they're not able to get no good word from government upon all the cry they don't cry na Lebanon.
Yeah, lad, they tell you something today. They go where caretaker don't go to that place. Now for go settle with sister the problem. Done. Yalla.
That's what you say?
That's what no well you know we expect say we caretaker go to the place that they don't go do anything serious.
But wait. Since caretaker na your uncle or you na in personal, I don't know.
No, na my uncle.
Right?
Yeah.
Caretaker na your uncle. Caretaker. We don't dey fly like one time you see like kite who don't cut. We take today we don't know where the caretaker dey fly for. What you feel say we able gain from this trip na Lebanon wey caretaker don go.
State House. I'll ask State House for you. Hold on. No go outside. Hold on, let's ask State House quick. You do stay and let's ask State House quick. Yeah, State House, eh? Do any way they will able for help me with any reason where the caretaker go na how they call it? Lebanon for? Okay. Hold on, yeah.
So wait,
they send something for me. Oh, yeah. You don't come. Oh, thank you very much. Wait, so like you now the reason. Not good now. Waiting?
I didn't listen. I didn't wait for.
Waiting? For say me I cable not connect. Okay, yeah. They say President Julius Maada Bio depart on private visit to Lebanon. Hold on. His Excellency Dr. Julius Maada Bio will depart Sierra Leone today. That now, you don't pass Thursday. I didn't go, eh? The 27th of August 2020 on a private visit to the Republic of Lebanon. His Excellency will be accompanied by the First Lady, Mrs. Fatima Bio. The First Lady, the first family is expected to return to Sierra Leone within 1 week. Okay, the first family. The mommy, the pa, the pikin, and the other fambu them. The first family. Private visit, then they go. No. Wait. You don't know say they be married? Huh? No, say they be married.
I want to tell me say na the honeymoon go.
Now them go honeymoon. They not be able to go honeymoon yet. So it happen. Now they get right to Sudan Day. They say for several decades, all the government of Sierra Leone and the government of Lebanon has maintained close, cordial relationship based on mutual respect and cooperation. This visit will further strengthen ties between the two nations. Wait. For State House, they mix things up now. Now, private or government on official duty?
Well, not to we talk. According to waiting State House, the right top where them pull out, where they show to on as soon as the screen. Like they don't give you two statements. First,
private
visit. Now, cordial relationship. Blah. You know, say then they use big terms for convince people them. We ask for understand, but
two country them.
We where it say we quick for pick up. He hardly follow take.
Justin, you want to talk more on this?
Aliu, we need for travel. But wait, State House, una hold the right. Una help we ba. Una self help we. Una not feel say after all this kulala, bulala, what we don't facing. Caretaker, we don't dey travel. We no get head, we no get tail. Una not feel say now when we don't get corona crisis, so at least if caretaker for travel, if it be beneficial travel to we the people of we are.
The thing we me know, caretaker don't work too much inside this corona thing. So now it go for go rest. Private visit.
Aliu stop. I know like who's work. Not make a call for the work caretaker don't do to now.
Help me, but me I know say caretaker don't work pan the corona.
Left.
Yeah, don't work. Don't work. Money don't come.
Not make clear with people and now we had vexed by you.
You tell do.
Because the all caretaker don't work from all this corona start to now. Now more of danger work there who they see.
Justin.
You know the work we caretaker work recently. Now Makeni. You know the results for that work there.
Yeah.
I know I go before. No, I know I go before. Paneba Road. The work we work there.
Tombo.
But you know they strain me.
No, boy.
Why they strain me?
Sorry. When they say talk to person.
No, I mean you they talk, they know they listen. Nobody know they hear me.
For why you talk loud now?
I mean you they talk.
Talk under your voice.
So you feel say na better work this week I don't do.
You know nothing I go on be make left for fly?
Yeah, we left for fly. You better say where be the fly. People that no be they get trouble like how they get and so. So tell if you no be there, that thing I'm making enough for happen like I happen so. But elect to before caretaker day, he go dey work for them kind work here. We don't pass them tumble now. Then them are Kenny pa them by instead of caretaker. Me I prefer the travel.
Now na dey that word. Now na dey that word.
The travel.
Not to that other one you say better go. Oh, now na dey that word.
Which one? I said the travel.
Mother Biomos.
Huh?
Mother Biomos.
I know which one? Me I know.
Now na dey that word. Yo, help me down at the comment section. Mother Biomos. Now na dem did it.
I was waiting. Must travel.
Oh.
Mother Bio must travel.
You get sense, so Mother Bio must travel. So he must go travel.
He must go travel.
So now they go travel. Now they don't begin go travel.
Hey, they go travel.
He didn't go travel about 2 weeks.
Now he go
now
travel.
Now
No.
But wait. I heard some other family them they say the pan afraid the pan they run away.
The pan a soldier. Wait if he say the pan afraid.
The pan and they control
the pan a King Kong. They afraid nothing. The pan just go on honeymoon. Let go enjoy.
You know you hear the bad music day. If you know so you not King Kong now for told yourself.
Now I believe the pan. I believe caretaker be afraid nothing. Caretaker na also. Now wait.
I will say that next day I will travel. You can respect the law. I'm traveling through.
Me laugh, yeah.
We can't take the respect the citizen.
How they get to teach them?
If you respect them, when the people like Ghana, it must go. Outside they go. Oh, don't go Lebanon.
But wait, for saying that to say, Papi na afraid, he afraid.
See you now. What's the Papi free for?
No, ask me. No, they again.
We'll have to. When I give you 1 minute quick, I'll tell Justin something. Wait to. Then say the bar bingo all meeting with the all I military people them.
Now then they be say you.
Then say now the security now.
But they for the security now.
You not see the power even go to one convoy and market.
Not talk loud.
No, then
not make you they talk.
Only come my beg. We now hold on here. In fact, we dey break. Then say we gonna. Now I see one video we gonna market. But I don't get that video again. Sorry, shame on me. We gonna market. If you see the how they gonna. You sabi North Korea the president Kim Jong-un. How we can work out in combo. Then in bodyguard they want Vienna. So
wait. You know it surprise me. When people they say the party afraid, you look be like saying at all.
Why you say so?
Because for my caretaker, Kuguma, you know me work out then can convoy. Why now caretaker bio the work out then can convoy like say. Then they go that's a play.
Or the guy I beg on a patient with more. I remember. I see caretaker be one thing. In 1 grain inside motorcar they drive. Like you see road. In 1 grain.
Who stay down there? Not to lock down?
No?
Huh?
Oh, not to you. A caretaker come on caretaker.
Caretaker be look at that mind.
Okay, sorry. Welcome back. We are not able to talk. Welcome back. This is the program.
We are.
My name na Aliyu.
And me na Justin.
We don't begin the program. We not begin the program.
No, then they all we talking. No, they. Then they all talking.
Okay, let's ask you. If you hear anything me and Justin talk, that means you get Congosa yes. If you are able to talk, put on a comment section. Anyway, I don't know. You heard what you say? Not they use politics for the dominating company. We only have one.
One fumble.
This one, he get bombastic.
But how things they go right now? We are. It's Alex say the other parts. No, they take and see one family.
Me I know do.
Because they bully too much.
Me I know do.
I know say they Lebanon, but we are caretaker. Now you dey Lebanon. We dey plead to you. We now you picking them. We other brothers and sisters then.
Oh yeah.
Then they Lebanon. Then they struggle. Then they punish. Then they money. Do ya? We don't go there so for go enjoy. They are create a small something where at least that's a boy will benefit from this travel where you don't travel.
If caretaker you go na Lebanon, you no go discuss the people here so the issue, you come back here. We people here not they ever get respect again. Ever. Because they go say Igbo them papa can not even concern about them.
I tell you.
Now we dey waiting. I beg una kick them. Una slap them. No, caretaker not answer, no heartless. Caretaker no heartless. It is settled that. When shall we see we when shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home. Remember them singing there? The Lebanon, the people in the Sierra Leone and Lebanon don't begin singing that song now. So caretaker. I'm not saying you make things happen, but I'm not saying you're not able. You travel. Justin.
Yes, me brother. Now waiting again.
Allez, clap for we had.
Huh?
Clap for we had.
No. We had not passed that level for long. Just the clap, so no see nothing. Tell me first what the clap for.
Watch this ultra modern building.
Wow.
How much you feel say this could cost?
What a perfect building. Why me not a contractor?
But now 60 million building 90 maps.
Wow. Very great, man. But wait. Not only city all this where South Korea financing projects for let them build for city council.
I like you remember things them.
Yeah, I will remember.
Then build listing for city council.
That's right.
Inside here you get conference room, you get you know say they get auditor, they get the conference this and that all. Remember say city hall been get side for all be the
yeah.
At play them first time where will be the
Of course.
Then send the way men we are boys, remember?
Oh yeah.
So then do this thing for the inside this building here, you forget the mayor in office, you forget the mayor in parlor, where you go this, you don't do them waiting them, you get different things, the administrative this, but basically this building has one for Freetown City Council.
Oh.
Remember I say City Hall and the Freetown City Council been get.
Chonya.
So now the same thing this.
Boy.
But guess waiting. Guess waiting.
No, wait. I know. Wait, you want to talk.
Clap for we pauper.
Eh?
Clap for the pauper.
No. I know the clap. I don't catch him. I catch Ali Usawango. This same building, right? Where South Korea finance for the it's not like I did so. Not for this building. We now want to begin fets for right now. For them to shape this building with city council.
Clap for we pauper.
No. Why people for clap? Why?
Because we want this building for them we give some ministries and departments and agency them part of Amdogi City Council.
The buildings and they not for build
sorry.
or renovate for their functions they are. Why not only this building where a special project come for the finance for city council? Una for can grab say una need some part of
now we dey na power.
It not mean.
So this na the newest building in town. So we for be part of am.
Weird.
Now want me paddy. Now give me this kind of information. So.
Weird.
Oh weird power.
Una say advantage you.
What's advantage? Now we dey na power. City council now in fact now we dey give them money na just small thing. Who don't know Akisoya mayor? We go can't tawapa we want part of that building there and we go put some minister then there. We put some department and agency there, the balance we give them.
But city council get the functions of themselves. And city council get plenty work.
Who that they give city council couple?
Now government they give city council couple.
Period. So when we tell city council, in fact, the mayor they under the local government are just
that means say he not forget a mandate of himself way for take.
In fact, I dey tell the minister, they talk to the mayor. If it's a anything here that with all the funding, the subvention for the next quarter, we not they give them that money. Then we will make sure say we pass behind the staff them for let them strike continuously against the mayor.
Look like say old man for turn mumu.
Yes. You want to fit here to we? Now we get the government. Let's just forget about that day. Not too important. I think say the mayor not get anything for do. If me say yes, na yes. Anyway, something be the one video, popular video be the pass na social media this BNTN. Concerning one lady where the you know, remember that lady we not get mind show that video there. And me I even scared for talk because it go bring some bad memory in some people in mind.
Well, really this video we don't go viral already. We are in some people and they say, them be say, because not to they say, them be say, na Kenima, this thing happen. At the end of the day, we find out, say, na Cameroon, this thing happen. But the bottom line here is, we the people of Wiyad, we get to stop this propaganda where we deeper in as much as we did our various political party them, right? We all know the present government what they do. They feel say good. We the people, the majority feel say not good. We do on that social day, but not to that one day they make certain things them the way they happen in other man country. We they measure them as salon. Because when I see that video, honestly, I argue with my friends say salon will not reach that level they it.
Never.
For me, salon man display, although it they happen, all other things that we don't happen is similar. But what make a different towards this video, we not see who side that other thing and you don't get my call and name again.
The issue of call name. We get the issue of the one video with the go they say na Tanibola. Yeah, the Chapam. We get the issue of other people. One guy na Kailan or so. It's not, I don't even know. Kailan or Pusha, one of the two. Where they say they deal with other side and everything and they go. But this one been totally beat everybody's imagination because they put them on film and then they use cutlass and deal with that particular woman. So that will make plenty people begin waiting. Somebody called me, they cry. Hey, Oscar, this way they don't begin our country. So I say, please, this not happen in our country. It not gonna ever happen. You know, you say, you know, we get some of who party there when a Cameroonian, Nigerian, we sabi them create them. Straight off being think, oh no, this not gonna ever happen. Yeah. So please, because one thing about that video, they anytime when they continue for sharing, tell now. Really? Yes, and anytime a person see them, na for them, na the first thing they don't see them. So please, anytime you come about that video day, when they don't deal with someone with cutlass, then drag and go in the middle of the street. Take a no to salon, it never happen, they know they ever happen at salon, at Cameroon happen, yeah. If you know to, if you want for be sure, go na Google and then you type here for kind thing the way it happen na Cameroon, you will see the only camp. Even one lady self way be the dance with his boyfriend, few minutes after we dancing with his boyfriend, or they go deal with him. Now junction back then go deal with him. So Lord, be watchful and mindful of them things and they. And the one back we do and wasting a Kenima happen, please. With a big let people let the cross check. You know some of we want for be the first at all time for the break news.
Now that's
please,
not the problem.
Let we know the rush for break news and it creates problem for because that kind of thing they imagine and say now Kenima happen say oh there's some people they don't begin deal with people left. Well fine, we go begin fend them back and they host them. Now inside we the Makeni, the Potluck or this and that. No problem, you know fine for we country.
Sure.
So do ya let we put a kind bad propaganda and the day to rest. It's not good for we. In as much as certain people and they want for make them party the kind of power, but please let we think of with people them safety at all time. Yeah. Now no left that is not important thing. Let we go before because let we go because more issue there before. Oh yes, waiting there.
This guy need for put on a studio. Let put this one. Oh. You eat this morning?
I'll go eat. I get 1 grain, 5,000. I pass to that mommy where they manage with 2,000, 3,000, 2-5 years. And the cookery done.
That will make half and half.
It done. Now the one way they na 5,000. If I eat this now, I'll go eat even 10. I'll go eat.
God, what did they do for now? Yeah. Sorry for it. Now you don't get for sorry for it, Papa. God.
They say the how they call them angry.
But they already put before. They ready for Balowi.
Angry the boko.
Papi will suffer. Papi.
Papi, you begin and they suffer. What you go do for we now? Papi, not all this we vote for you for. You been say we say you get the idea. But wait too. Not so Papi been say. He been say they. Sierra Leone under the ABC government, yes, will be left on 60,000 we can meet them 200,000. Now the meet gets 200,000 and now let's don't go 335.
35.
Anyway, we get results from election counts that we get election results from the market for now. Oh, they carry it to now. But first of all, on the issue of this, the National Grand Coalition, when they call NGC party, don't come up with word. We say the kind way how angry and Tranganese don't come now we are. It don't be a security threat. Now true, they say the hungry man.
It's
Now angry man. But look pull up a motor, my logo to dog. That dog will be used for play with. If you don't angry good, you can't go play to what you do.
They bet you.
I make pay.
They bet you.
I make. So not true. But before we go inside the Bala the sober one, let me join 98.1. Then we do one small discussion here. Outside the chairman for NGC and somebody from Emran Silla from how they call them strategic communication unit now the Minister of Information and Communication being discuss small bit about this angry business. You know, easy. We'll come back just now.
We find out that things not seem for the improve. We don't get dramatic increase in prices then since 2018. Then increase in prices there, so it not seem for correspond with increase in income. That is within people and they get, and that's the basis of some of this hardship. We've been don't ask government say, let them consider this as an emergency because the situation be don't begin tranga too much for people. So this Afrobarometer report where we get where they come on now, you know say the Afrobarometer reports now specialists them for research. Now then they conduct them, now then they do them, not to just see over 30 something African countries now they don't work. So waiting they come up from them now something where they all water. And waiting then pull now this report, basically it shows say all waiting we done the talk from October, we spot on, we correct that things are really bad. And waiting then say now also now a cause for concern even for government for take for pay special attention to waiting they happen. For 1/3 only of Sierra Leoneans then say the country is going in the right direction. It means say about 66% of the population they say the government they go in the wrong direction. That is very, very, very serious. And it confirm some of them things where they say, in fact, I would like for let me look some of the things that we then say, where it gets for do with dissatisfaction with the country economy and personal living conditions. Where they show say more and more people they deprived in their everyday lives for them basic things the way they need. And say large majorities then they experience shortage of food, clean water, and other basic necessities there. So all waiting common at this report here, it more than confirms what we may say.
Inside una survey we una done they do since 2019 October. Somebody go like for know whose process una can use for conduct the survey and reflects the voice of the people.
Now what will they do? Will they go now? Will they use samples then of in a market we can go now for prices then mainly. Now we they use as an indicator. So they use samples so they go now them different markets them and try and check with the cross check. We do them in different parts of the country, but with the cross check the prices then we then get now like one area, one region to another. So when we don't put all that together, then we compute them in such a way for let us know between this period and this period the kind of increase we don't be. Because if you go in a market now, you go confirm with the people where they sell. Then go tell you how much them they sell in 2018 and how much them they sell in 2019 and 2020. Okay. If you ask them and them when a housewives them where they go buy plazas and waiting called, it's easy for let them tell you, see now so when they buy them at that time, fish now so when they buy them, but now so they buy now. Pepper we will buy 700 Leon for cup in 2018, but now na 7,000 Leon for cup. Then a 900% increase. You know, so that kind of comparison, the way you don't do, and we put them together, you're able to see. In fact, I can tell you now, say we even compute them, and we get people that will help you for say how you cook one pot soup and rest for a family of 4. We don't more or less work out for basic that now just one type plus us with the small palm oil we use and everything. It comes to 46,000 Leon for a family of 4 a day. So you when we work on that, we try to find out like what it go cost for an average family of 4 for cook na the house, you know, every day for 1 month. And we don't come to them figures in there. So
we
now
can
that
we can look at them figures in there, Dr. Dennis Bright. But now we bring in Imran Sila from the Strategic Communications Unit from the Ministry of Information and Communication. Good morning, one more time, Mr. Sila.
Glad for the honor. Thank you for the opportunity.
All right. You don't listen to Dr. Dennis Bright, when the chairman for the National Grand Coalition since October 2019. They don't begin for do these thing reports. Also, then they draw government attention on certain things them, where them findings them show say no they happen right, especially where campaign the economic situation and safe the living condition of people them. And this be again where the Afrobarometer reports come out, then combine all things and pull a new report which shows say anger and a threat to national security, taking into consideration the kind of violence that we don't happen this be in the country. As a government, how will I take this report from the NGC at this time?
Well, I think it's not only about the report for NGC. Yeah? It's also about within Afrobarometer. It's also about MRC in the music we pull, you know. I mean, we on government, if you can accuse me for anything, you know, accuse you of not listening, yeah, tone deaf, as they can call them. You know, go accuse you of not being responsive to the feelings of the people. I don't come at this studio plenty time, DJ. And I remember on several of the occasions and they would talk about the economy. One of the very first things I can say, and where every other person were responsible for government, right, in terms of information dissemination, to acknowledge now that, yes, we understand the challenges there, yeah? So last year again for the 100th term now, we understand, acknowledge, and accept the challenges there to the economy. Then challenges then they don't they for over 10 years now this country. I'm not to try to forget anybody bad name, yeah? And we also know, say, every responsible government get a look at the economy, as in which economists they can call the micro and the macro. Yeah? So macro, you look at the long term in terms of directions and all that thing and day. Right? At micro level, you get a look at short-term intervention. I make you get the medium-term national development plan. Yeah, we talk about which would you do in the immediate term, which would you do in the medium term, and within the direction, how we like for cities country to go to in the long term. Now, I mean, if you look at the figures, them, the percentages, them, na the Afrobarometer. On Sunday, I'll be there, I get an opportunity for talk about this year to meet people in Abombali district. Now, I not see them in terms of percentages. I see them in terms of directions and trends and trajectory, yeah? Because it helps you to better understand, right, and place them year on year going backwards as to how much movement has been made, whether you're largely and broadly there on track, yeah? Whether I mean, you do the right interventions then. Now, one of the things I want to see lacking in all of the reports there, both in the NGC statements with them pool, and also in the Afrobarometer, it doesn't really capture governments, right, in short-term measures then, where we don't allude to plenty term, right, at every given opportunity.
All right. Imran, just like how you say, you and different government officials, them, don't they come at the studio? Yeah. They accept, say, yes, there are challenges, especially we come in terms of the economy. Yeah. But since 2018 to now, almost 3 years in governance, what are the tangible thing where government don't do for reduce some of them challenges there? So because the challenges then they there, but not to one time for donor, but at least for reduce them.
Amela, however, I get issues with the excuse me. I get issues with the most recent figures them in terms of which it cost for Ghana markets. You know, interestingly enough, in the morning yesterday, now I see the report from the NGC. I finished work at 4 o'clock, 4:30. I made an effort. I go off court because me and my Mrs. I like for gonna market for Mrs. And I not only go there for go figure out exactly which I see contained in the report, but then Usaya day I get somebody where himself they sell cookery. So I had an opportunity again for canals and compare my own prices the order don't go give me a off court with this post where they sell cookery. I think it's slightly different from what's captured in the report. But not to down at the point. Not to down at the point. Let's come back to DJ in question now, more fundamentally. Now you did talk about government in short-term measures then. Look, we understand say the economy challenged. Now that make from since 2018 we don't give 40% increase in teacher salaries. Now you also want to ask the question, well, why make people and still they continue for field the old and the field? But then let's ask yourself the question. If the interventions there are not been there, DJ, it could have been worse. It could have been worse if teachers not been to get 40% increase in their salaries. It could have been worse.
So you think
So
say the
Imran-
intervention,
I beg, yeah. It could have been worse if pensioners them still they receive 15,000-20,000, right? Every month as the pension take away. It could have been worse if social safety net not been for able to reach out to 29,000 people. In essence, you talk about 29,000 families. It could have been worse, yeah, if the one that then at the tourist sector not been for don't get them back payments for 3 months at 1.8 million. It could have been worse. So you talk about what really government don't do in terms of tangibles. Yeah, those are real things. Them
Imran,
where they affect real people. Let also not forget. No, did you already don't ask? So now they look at now, except if you want to shift to something else.
this PASMAC hardship where the NGC continue for the talk about. Governments on they do different program them as way for help for address some of the issues there. So even at the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, we see outside the president just launched a social safety net program for people who do work na the tourism and other entertainment sector. Them outside then get over 1 million loans for help them because the COVID don't unbug them. With all them programs there, so you think saying at the right step as a government for let them do for cushioning some of the hardship issues them where the NGC keep on they talk about?
You know, we not for underestimate the hardship within this country. Now that's not the first side for begin. Like a way, Imran the go give market report this now say go now Dove Court, you go find some price they waiting and call. Let not make people vex per way. You know, waiting me feel saying our problem will get is that now two problems there, major problems there. Now they observe. One, the priorities of the people, the immediate priority of the people, it seems to be different from the immediate priority of government. So we therefore bring them come, let them come together. The second thing is that the government in feel now this make we say this is if it be a state of economic emergency. Let government not feel say the same people away don't they think for government in solution them all this while. When we in a college, we they study. We can try we get one thing they say if you don't they see this is here, I get forget something opposite. People with different opinion let them come. For let we able to understand what's in the happen. Me feel say the government get for use other people human resources and bring them come together, let them solve this problem. If they're not able to find the right solution, they have to call people together. Like you, one small example. Government won't forget tax. No, so? Because now tax now get for take for pay for some of the services them. So what do they do? If they want tax, make sure they collect all the tax. But government get for know the person with the tax, the businessman with the tax. What's in your own situation? What you make if you go Ecowa Street, you will see some shop then don't begin lock. Right. You understand? So if you not bring the people them together for can sit down and talk about it, you feel say now you on one green finger and I go pick that loss. The loss not go come out.
Will they come back to you, Dr. Bright? Yes. So just bring Imran Kam. Earlier you they talk about some of the things them we not don't do as a government where you feel saying are tangible things them for help address some of the challenges that we people and they get in terms of hardship. You make mention of the increment on teacher then salary. How you were able to interpret that particular increment day on teacher dem salary wey you take into consideration the inflation?
So, Law put things into context now. Yeah? You talk about inflation. This is not something we'll also capture in the supplementary budgets. Yeah, and if you go to 15, page 4, you talk about inflationary pressures increased during the first half of the year, largely due to disruptions in the supply of basic food items emanating from restrictions on inter-district travel, partial lockdowns, and the COVID-19 induced panic buy to stock up food and non-food items. Consequently, inflation, which has declined to 13.9% at the end of 2019, rose to 15.6%. Now, here's the thing, yes, we know they argue, say, scarcity not been there, right, as a result of COVID. But we also they say, like, with the number of interventions will get in place. And Law also add the fact that for all public and civil servants, them they receive salaries regularly and on time. Yeah?
So how you going to interpret the effect of the inflation?
The fact of the matter is that everybody who on the receiving end of salaries, the one that do feeder and trunk codes, I mean public and civil servants, them, and every other person, you're at least able to forget Lily and Atin, for able to go buy and can look after people. The point where they try for making that, the increase in prices that they see not only affects Salon as a result, I mean during COVID, it affects every other nation of the world, yeah? That's not the reality. And those are one of the challenges where the world they deal with in terms of the global pandemic, yeah? Not that, I mean, market prices, they don't go up as a result of that. And so you're left with, in essence, the same salary, right, for try for cut corners, right, for able to make sure, say, you live within a reasonable means. Which I think, say, government can do. Because there are certain things in there in a global pandemic, no government not able for control them, yeah? You get for deal with them, and it's again your impact, again your implications. But what thing government can do, now for make sure, say, for the one that they receive salaries, you make sure they receive their salaries on time. You think about other interventions, like the social safety net, for example, what I talk about, we benefit 29,000 people there. People then go sign for them. But then people and they obviously get families. So now families then actually benefit. You did talk about the one that they receive their pensions. At no point, right, during this pandemic, we say, well, pensioners, they would reduce their money and let them begin to go take 100,000. No, we were still giving them every single government commitment. Right? We own up to them and add more, right, including the one that most recent as last week, now the tourist sector, simply because we understand, say, COVID-19 getting your implications and it affect lives then. How do we help to cushion the effects, right, what COVID gets on citizens of this country?
You will give you statistics about you surveying a market. Yeah. You say rest now 310,000 per bag. Yeah. Now we look at the minimum wage na salon we na 500.
Rest specifically at the top about Dolly.
Yes. Now we take that as an instance.
Belaguna na 285.
310,000 as for instance for rest bag and minimum wage na 500,000. If you pull 500,000 or 310,000 from 500,000 leons, they left 190,000 leons, and you get other things that we get for spend them on. How you can describe that kind of situation there?
Well, one correction will make minimum wage not to 500,000, minimum wage not 600,000. So the point where they try for making that, look, let I tell you honestly and sincerely, yeah. Almost me to spend for cooking a meals and I didn't host with 4 people. I come irrelevant to the question.
No go be the same.
No, but left that talk there. No begin they can put me in a south side, not there. Not today I belong. Yeah, come. Yeah. I then a host with 4 people then. Me, somebody will call me brother, the baba then a host where they help out with one other person. I spend this lady where they cook cookery. 9 they cook for me. 9 food normal they eat, not that house day. Yeah, and I pay 50,000 leons. They cook for me for 3 days. My favorite is the one that was go to Isenakasana leave. And so they cook for me regularly and religiously over a period of 3-4 days. Now the point where they try for make is this, right? Is government doing the best it can, given the challenges we face with the economy and COVID added to them.
You compare you right? to some people.
I'm not talking about earning. I talk about which are the gear on a daily basis.
We spend 40,000 per day for it.
Even before now, I always don't give 40,000 leon. Yeah, for cook for a period of 3-4 days, and so break it down on average, almost how they spend per day.
Well, now this lie. No. I vex. I vex. You understand? Why Imran say that they can't lie upon with the people like this? Because it belongs to the political party in power right now. Why? Why Sierra Leone we know they be fear to itself. Now the same people like in sit down before television, before camera, they all say Sierra Leone first, country first.
Wait. I sabi this guy. The thing will be the 98.1. I be the moderate, you know, the SLPP hour. This guy, I'll tell you something. If they go to them BB book, let me do research, them BB book, but economic, this account and a studio. They can't sit down, they analyze how the economy they go bad under the past government. Now, any council and tell we say they give 40,000 euros, and today they tell we say 50,000.
Now a blatant lie.
40,000 euros for 3 days.
No lie. Not even anyhow they put on.
We say when they cook
Imran, they lie.
We when they cook mina, that is a bit that would was.
Except Imran tell me say in a somebody no use for each good because it's possible. For let somebody give 40,000 for 3 days plus us. Now somebody know they eat good now us. Now they give them kind money for it.
Well, you know it's possible for them for.
No, let me tell you. It depends on the play cook what the man they eat 9 us. Because if na real cookie they cook 40,000 or even do for a day. But if you can tell me say 40,000 for 4 days, now play cookie they eat. You know some of them guys now they talk to them the way they come out and provoke we. This is not a provocation. It come out and provoke we the people of Sierra Leone. Everybody know the situation what they undergo right now in terms of food business.
I'm not like for talk boku. Justin, go inside your phone. Go inside your phone.
Do you have the people that una pay attention carefully?
This one
and check the lies that what this man can lie per way. Yeah.
Justin.
Yes, people.
Awale we take something quick. Awale una we know the talk again. No, this now waiting NGC pull National Grand Coalition NGC when them pull about it Tranganess the well out team Tranga for people them that we are the here.
Let we talk to people.
Let me go quick. This one on the rest. The bag. Now we'll begin with rest here. Under inside 2018, the rest for bag now been 235,000 euros.
Still, where SLPP don't take over now. Well, they chase 3 years now, they chase now. The rest don't go 330,000, where it increased 40%. Now they listen.
The rest per cup. Inside 2018, they say now be 1,200 euros per cup.
Inside the same SLPP time now they talk so women you see also right now in a salon we know now as I talk to you the rest now 2,500 euros. It increased by 108%. Still not the list, you know, not on it.
Now, guy, when I'm in favor, it's working bong. The inside 2018, the guy will be 500 euros for cup.
And from the 2018, now 2020, we'll get new government. The Gary now 1,250 leons. It increased by 150%.
Thing don't cheap now the country, thing don't really cheap.
we don't laugh like we provoke me from them. It pain we.
Okay, me own, that fish one like that small way we can manage reports them with something, you know, inside 2018, fish, that in the now be 1,500 euros. Where they pack
Now, this government, we don't take over now, we they buy in 8,000 euros. It increased by 433%. Can you imagine? 433%.
433%.
You know, fish.
You say.
What are they pull at that water?
No, enough here. Always you do so enough here. Okay, no, they go small, yeah. That's not just per mine. Now, be 2,500 euros for pint.
And from that time to now, we will enjoy the sweet campaign where the SLPP be don't give we say the APC be make all things difficult for we the Sierra Leoneans them. We vote them in for let them inside. Now as I talk to the Pamai, now 4,000 leons for pint, a single pint of Pamai, 4,000, it increased by 60%.
No. This is not fair. We did enjoy now we had. This is not fair. Logo code small yeah. Plazas, hey. This like as that event, this and that day. Plazas. I be 500 euros for tie inside 2018. That then small tie then. Now almost.
Now they know say this young man we don't can lie per we say they give 40,000 for 4 days. It just can provoke we not get political affiliation right now for long survive. Now that small tie plazas right now 1,000 euros. It increased by 100%. Can you imagine?
Yabas, na been 500 in 2018. Now no more sir.
The same way so as I dey talk to now, me dey talk about wetin dey happen right now. Right now, Yabas, now 1,000 it increased by 100% again.
No. Inside we are the power regime. Things are okay. The economy they kick and people not they cry for hunger. We they give. In fact,
yeah, things are okay. I not deny you. Things are okay by brutality. Things are okay by arresting people innocently. Things are okay by damaging people.
Okay, one of my favorites are Bolgo.
So tell me.
Bolgo inside 2018. La true. La no mistake. Bolgo. Bolgo. 2,500 inside 2018.
Daniel, no need for WhatsApp because me when they talked to you about Bolgo yesterday. From that 10 day to now, where we don't get sweet words from the SLPP New Direction government say, always you be the suffer for so we they can't enjoy. We be feel say the Bolgo as he been bill up prices so they can't to 500 or 1,000. Now as I talk to me people, Bolgo na 5,000 leons for cup. It increased by 100%.
Just why the president now.
Here we are.
Una not just fair to the government. Una not just fair to them. And that day, not nice at all. Not nice. Okay, no go before tomorrow, yeah? That one way I can leg for. That one the way they slake window leg.
Chicken.
Me I want chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. And the out to okay, buy for me chicken, yeah. Chicken. Then they watch something quick NGC. Then they try you NGC. The chicken foot. In fact, not to that chicken safe. Now for food.
That one.
That for food what they can put inside them fufu, then soup, then granite soup. That for food they can make soup.
Tell people that.
Then they for food. Now be 125,000 euros. That for the cartoon. Right, and I must go.
From that 10 day to now, the increment here are the shame self even for announcer. Now 170,000 leons for the cartoon and
at
36%.
It not go better at 50,000 no more.
50,000?
No more.
Yeah, that idle guy they tell you say 40,000 for 3 days. Now they give for him play cook now.
There's 50,000 no more.
No more.
No more. Okay. Well, the thing where people like elect for put boku and then soup them for less sweet. We will not sabi cook. Maggie. That been 250 for one. Like then jumbo Maggie, then cube, then sweetie, this and that. 250. That's an almost.
Well, if I now say that 10 day to now 8 to 8. Now 500. Can you imagine? 500
for one cube.
500 Maggie.
We don't get 100% Sandy.
So?
No. You're not fair. Okay. One other thing where some people if they eat, they don't put pepper by their food, no problem. Then tell them the pepper must be bad.
Well, you tell me.
The cup now being 700 leons. Jesus, Allahu Akbar. That's enormous.
Wait. You say waiting?
Now be 700 leons with the buy pepper. 700 leons for cup.
Hey.
Allahu Akbar. In Jesus.
Wait see something get 900 increments now. Must know how it double bomb for go up. Now 7,000.
I like the way I call that money.
7,000.
From 700
to 7,000.
I also have a credible plan to save this nation, and I have a credible team to help me execute that plan. I have said this election is about the future of our great nation, Sierra Leone. The future of our children, the future of our grandchildren. The people of this country are suffering immensely under the weight of rampant corruption and mismanagement of the APC. So if you want democratic change to end their suffering, vote Julius Maada Bio and the SLPP.
Not so this one I will tell we. Who's kind of money?
Pepe, now the world market make it go up. Now the world market, you know say Corona day right now. Now the world market, we not able to import the pepper.
Pepper pepper don't turn dollar now.
We don't able to import her. But wait to me, I get interest by the pepper more.
Oh man,
That company making plants are important for we right now. Then they credit crunch.
but even the company itself don't produce. I mean, you say right now, the airport just open, cargo plane they not begin enter. It's that kind of way. So for let them bring pepper for we. In Mona right now, you know the ship they sell for the car right now. They're not able to carry that kind. You know what I mean? So at least if pepper come up from that 700 to 7,000,
I agree with Imran.
Oh, somebody tell me say all that they include to caretaker and travel one safe na Lebanon. At the pepper don't begin commode. At least now we will go get some supply. I mean, now they be partner, now they do business.
Okay.
You know, so we go able to get.
Lebanon able for take care of their business.
Eh? No, na pepper, no more pepper. Pepper, you don't begin commode Lebanon.
No wait, I must watch for that thing back. My watch.
We get problem.
No, not up and bad. I don't watch no more. Man, I like the pepper price so. I like her.
You see something come up from 700 to 7,000. Weird. What's this so? Yeah, take out. What's this so?
Nothing.
But the chapo.
No, what's the chapo? If it's a play ball. If it's a play ball.
Me man, a bad midfielder.
Okay, almost for Pampers right now.
Eh?
Pampers, then tell them be 500, 1,000. Oh, Pampers, no to make Pampers don't go up.
Not a woman the way the boiler right now.
They have to make Pampers don't go up. And a simple forget excuse. And then they make Pampers don't go up. Because you know so we keep drinking small.
Mama,
oh man, they're angry and they drink.
the way they manage you nappy there, or they buy pin and nappy, pass and so now they all pass. If you know you buy Pampers, no problem.
Nappy where them one scrap and not tell you the chuk people pick.
Why would they begin? The man and the children la part they will make now they all pass. We not be meet up and pass so.
Kubongo.
Well you know, we not be meet up and pass.
Then tie the rope so, then take the lapa, then follow.
Pass and they when they perform inside now steady.
You know get man tell you Mazu. Say go make Kubongo for a begin. And they tell you what. like sweet so like really sweet things are easy inside we are.
Anyway.
But me know what I like again. You know say that they give small money to the people for me, I feel say this money they give not to the right thing and it's nice that they give at that moment a person angry, I was angry. But they not get thank you.
But me brother, look the funny thing where they happen by them money away then they
fine. The
last video me you see after they finish give some people and the money.
Who
side go see them?
Ba. Then they sing Madabio.
Caretaker don't give me money. Where be say that money some man they where they begin that money make people it not even sleep in pockets.
So I think for some people and then try and keep until 1 week. No, 1 month.
But wait, Aliu. Whose impact where you feel say this money they create now people in life?
Well, interestingly,
where you give somebody that kind of money, sometimes for 1 day you don't eat out 2 days.
Only
no, it's still a grumble.
Only for what happened? Only for the one them when not get business orientation, when they not get business mind, they're not business minded. Then they give them that money, then fire. Boop. But for some people, them where they think of tomorrow, then get a steal.
Yes, now that's.
But the bottom line are the huge amount of people that don't don their money, and now we all the cry back. The same say the government and the think tank and inside we had.
Now that's how they try for say because maybe feel say then kind money before they can give me you 1 million. Why the government not they put them money together? All the rest. Then bring that now we had. Then puts the price down for the people where everybody they able benefit rather than for the give sets of people. Because this money not so everybody they get this money.
Because we want for score political goal.
But the campaign will begin earlier.
It don't matter. We use that as a reference point. The time we get crisis now we have. Now we are the only government. The last government where they mean they how they call it Ebola, Corona and Ebola. Ebola, they not do anything, but we able to give money to people then. So
no, but yes, they not give anything, But the life of we the Sierra Leoneans, them, it look better that 10 day compared to now.
Hey, do that tell you so?
What's up? We don't eat.
Do that tell you so?
You don't eat?
Don't ask me. Nobody don't tell you so because when you say the life of people is better than the past now, you lie.
Why you feel say lie?
Because then 10 and day, Pepe una 10, Pepe been dear. Now be 700 years for cup.
And then una you tell now.
Pepe cheap.
Now 7,000.
Yes,
the
it's cheap.
cheapness of her.
Yes, it's cheap.
Because I say can't go fighting all they can.
You say what?
7,000. 1,000.
Trading na be almost
700 leons.
Oh yeah, 100 big past 1,000. 100 na you can first before 1,000. So 100 big past 1,000. Who that the first born? When them begin control to 100 and the first go?
Paris, you don't.
When them don't to 1,000 and they go.
I don't get time.
Who that the first born? Not to in their age.
I don't get time for you again. I don't get time for you again. Let's talk to me people that graph here.
Anyway, hey, Justin, you know, say every weekend you can tell people about the season. Hey, you don't begin to battle.
I know, and I do believe say me people them back now. My people as I always they remind you now about the rainy season. We see a disturbing video recently now we had. We do pray that did not get for do with nobody in life in Goan. What's happened? Now they disturb me. I they talk it there, they yon. Now they boast their additional say, una time till a day Pepe na 700, una they eat bed full. Now Pepe na 7,000. Don't you say the price cheap? What's happened? You just say don't eat self from this morning.
Talk, no ask me.
Do have the people a lot continue on the rain season. We always they advise when rain dark or rain they come, not feel big for go to your neighbor, we get a better place where they able to keep your life safe till the rain cut, then you go back now your place because we not there for make it left they finally now they manage for the meantime. But when you see rain they come, do ya? We still they tell una because we care about una the same way we care about ourselves. Do ya make we avoid water problem. Make we avoid problem from the rains. Do ya me family?
I see building and they collapse. So if you know say outside you day, now dirty no more na older side do you accommodate first? If you know say Agbata stone and go by you do you accommodate? If you know say big cutty tree and go by you do you accommodate or they near you accommodate? Yeah. 50,000 challenge. Oh yeah.
I the winner for that challenge. Me tell us we pass 50,000. Not so. I know the winner. Yeah. Look at the comments.
Me want for tell una say thank you very much to you we don't subscribe. To you where they always come and watch me. Thank you very much. You where they participate now we comment section for let you comment on the issues them. God bless you. You where you always can watch, you know subscribe it. We love you. So for let the love continue, do ya hit for we the subscribe button now. Yeah.
And also, not forget for press that bell where they up. We say all.
Na inside.
Press them so you no go suffer or strain. Forget any video we release inside the week.
You like this video? Hey, give it thumbs up.
And not forget, I always dey tell una say, una comment means a lot to we. We dey pick sense from there, we dey correct to mistakes them from there, and we dey communicate through that comment section below.
Thank you very much. So some of we viewers them, we don't take this number on the screen and can send you very important information.
Una really don't do a good work. Una don't do big work for we had. Now we just dey see we had just dey fly. Now most of the groups them, una thank you.
God bless we all.
And God bless Mama Salon, when we are.
Stay safe.
And stay blessed. And remember, say, caretaker no dio, you go Lebanon for go import pepper.
Make sure so you stay out of violence.
And keep cool na your corner. Wait for God your own time. God will talk for you.
Election time, go and express yourself by your votes.
Not fetch nobody. That ballot box, now in your weapon. Now in your everything.
make you come decision through the ballot box.
And nothing up again, leprosy can't fool you with words them.
Why you for take 10,000 euros, 5,000 euros, 50,000 euros for people and suffer for 5 years?
Because now that same thing that we do, we can give you money, give you rum, give you all kind of thing for big fool we. Today, waiting and talk. None, they're not able to reach far.
So now, not to just talk. If person say able to do this, let it begin to enforce before una give power.
And then we vote as priority.
You vote, now you life.
You vote, now your future.
You see? So, we just want to let you know that one day. Anyway, my name, na Aliyu.
And me, na Justin.
We no go join you on Wednesday, oh. Do ya, we be done big una, eh? But, we will join you again next week Saturday in another edition of We Are this same time.
And una just patient we. The Wednesday not to forever. As we don't put things in place, we dey begin come back twice a week. But for now, na Saturday to Saturday.
God bless We Are.
See you next week, Saturday, me good people there.